So guys, nandito na yung friends ko. Nagsundo. And look at our neighborhood. Ay! Ay! Ayaw ako buksan. Ay! Hala! Hala kay God. Na-surprise ko! Ay, isa ano to ate? Sandal na. Ay! Sandal.
Diba ang tubig lang tatlong tubig?
Ay! Kambal! Ang kambal! Ay! Nagkita. Hi mga mamshi! Mamshi!
Buwapo man na nini. Oh, ay 30 ay. Saan tayo lalabas? Ay 30.
Kay gwapo, ay gwapo ka ayo. Ay!
Gwapo kayo. Siyempre.
Siyempre.
Guwapo.
Ikaw ay gwapo naman mo.
Maganda naman tayo tingnan mo. Ay, andito yung mga gwapa. Little mistake. Gamitin ko kaya yung ano paling.
Hi ma'am.
Punto, pwede yun.
Morning. Taga-Daba po siya tanawa yung bag. Oh my God.
Anak ka na sa imo.
Kasi anak ko ay. Kani mo. Hoy, Diyos ko.
Pero anong tawag na natin? Na-off din. Namatay din yung phone.
Among guwapa na driver.
Kasi na siguro. Yung, di ba naka-charge nga?
Morning pinakasabaan.
na lang.
Morning anong kaayo ka na? Ngayahay kay sa live kay.
Dato na ko.
Dato na jud siya. Nakadaw siya loto. Uy, siya kabalo nakadaw siya loto.
How to be you. Yeah, right. How to be you.
Kini siya mo ni pinakamadam.
Na, ginoo ko. Ayun, pagpakaulaw diha. Ikaw
Pagpakaulaw. Ay, look at her jewelries. Oh my God. Laagan jud kayo. Who you? Guwapo. Mom, unsay secret? Unsay beauty tips? Beauty tips.
Bigyan mo ng beauty tips dyan.
Beauty tips? Makeup lang, mom.
Makeup lang ng makeup.
No, you're already beautiful. Enhance lang ni mo. Oh, tanawa lang na natin. What are you wearing today?
Today.
I had never Tory Burch.
This one, I don't know where I got this from.
I think Zara.
No. I think this is Chanel.
Oh, okay.
I'm Chanel and my pants is from Gap and my hair is from sponsored by me. Oh my God. Sponsored by
Okay, Head and Shoulders.
Head and Shoulders because there's a lot of I'm saganing dandruff gani.
Baka si Richard. Oh my God.
Bala ko ba? Oh my accident or something.
Oh, no.
Oh my God. Oh my God, ang traffic.
Oh no.
Accident with the other side. Thank you, ma'am. Oh my God, ang hangin.
So it's traffic kasi may accident, guys.
Oh wow, it's like EDSA.
Yeah. Look at the traffic.
To me. Punta po kami sa Baclaran, mga guys. First time.
Hi, Lord.
First time namin magsama.
After 48 years. Guys, after 48 years, nakahanap din kami ng pagkain. Kasi ikot-ikot kasi kami sa mall, tapos nawawala kami. So, yun, we finally found our food. Guys, look what I got. The price is $59.50 and now it's only $90. Where's the other one? Where's the white one? And guys, and I also got this one. The original price is, this is the original price, and now it's only $9.
It's good deal.
Thank you, Dai. So this is the place you're supposed to go, and you can find a cheap price.